Hey man, just want to show off the E&L that we finished off for you. Let's do a quick shooting video. Pretty fast semi. Yeah.